the loans and investments. So we have loan in this question. So the loan we got was Kelly borrowed 72,000 on the 1st of 7, 2012, part of which was used to purchase an adjoining warehouse costing 60,000. It was agreed that the sum borrowed would be repaid in 12 equal installments over 6 years, period commencing on the 1st of January 2013. Interest was to be charged at a rate of 10% per annum and paid monthly. So the amount, 72,000. The rate of interest was 10% per year, and we have it for 6 months because we bought on the 7th of July. So we got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's going to be 6. So the interest is going to be 3,600. That's your expense. We paid 2,400, so up here in our payments we have interest 2,400. So we're due to pay 1,200. That's going to be your liability. Then in your loan repayment, we're going to find out, so it's going to be 12 equal installments. So we're going to find out how much you want to pay per year. So it's going to be 6,000. But he wants to repay it within 6 years. So if we use 12,000 per year and 12 equal installments, that's going to be 12 years. But he wants it done in 6. So we have to have 2 installments per year. So what's due to be paid is 12,000. Okay, it's period commencing the 1st of January. So this 12,000 is your loan repayment due, which will be your balance sheet. And then we need to reduce how much is going to be repaid for your finance by section. So 72 minus 12 will give you 60,000. So that's how much will be left after we pay this 12,000, because the commencement is going to be starting on the 1st of January 2013. So we need to have that money ready to go at that time.